How to quickly find your art style in 5 simple steps. So let me tell you first what you need, how to prepare, what to do, and what mistakes to avoid. But who am I? I've been drawing for some time and I just like sharing the stuff that I learned with you. You can make more progress and faster. I did a challenge where for a week I was looking for my art style and I was studying different artists to, try to actually find it. But with that, I learned a lot of stuff that is useful, so let me share it. So first, what is an art style? So simply, it's a style that you draw in, but it is based on your preferences and on your interpretation of things. So basically what you like and how you see things. But we also should add your techniques and tools that you're using because they also play an important part in your art style. Now for me, art style is not something that magically happened to you. Instead, it's something that you need to actually, go and do yourself. And now this step is super important, and I actually skipped that at the beginning of my art journey, which obviously made me not improve as fast as I wanted to. So here we are talking about fundamentals. We need to have at least basic knowledge of each and every fundamental to be able to actually bend them to our will. For example, we know about anatomy of the leg, and because of that, we can stylize the shape based on the proper anatomy, or we can play with colors based on color theory. And there are 8 fundamentals, which are gesture, anatomy, color theory, perspective, form, light and shadow, composition, design, and that's it. They are all important, but it depends on what you actually want to draw and what you want to do with your life. Do you want to draw characters or do you want to draw a landscape? Based on that, some things will be less important, some will be more. But still, you should at least know them at the basic level. In the third step, I want you to think of your favorite artists, but choose between 3 to 5. Nothing less, nothing more. So don't pick too much because you'll get overwhelmed, but also if you pick like 1 or 2, some people will call you copycat. But to be honest, do what you want. If you have like 1 million favorite artists, just do what you want. So now after you picked your favorite artists, go and gather some resources, some useful references of their work. Now you want to actually look at the drawings of your favorite artists and see and actually take some notes of the things that you really like about their drawings. So maybe it's the way that they draw an eye, maybe it's the way that they render skin, or how they like stylize shapes, proportions, or how they do composition. Just take notes and see what you really like. And also you can make a list of every part that you really like, maybe like a screenshot of eyes and just like a line to that, like an arrow to that, and a note or something that I like it or whatever. It will also help. Then with that, we go to the next step, and here we want to study them. So see what you want to study, like all the things that you liked about them, and study that. But don't just copy, don't just go line for line and just don't think about anything. Don't do that. Instead, we want to break it down. We want to get inside the head of the artist that was drawing that. We want to think of why they did that and why this line is placed here. So it will be super useful to, at the beginning, just look at their drawing, take notes, and write things that you observed. But it will be super useful if they have like at least time lapses or like a full process video where they explain stuff. And after that, we want to start drawing. So put your references on the side and draw. And trust me, you don't want to practice everything at once. So let's say you want to practice the way they draw eyes or like the way they draw bodies. So let's just choose bodies, for example. So just draw a body, but focus on the important stuff that you need, like proportions, like the shapes of the body, that simplification, like the way they exaggerate the pose and stuff. Like learn that. You can go like actually much deeper into that and just draw poses, just do simplification, just do shapes and stuff. You can go as narrow as that, and don't start randomly rendering everything where you want to just practice proportions. And it's super important to understand why they're drawing the way they do, and it's super useful also to that to know fundamentals. It will help you a lot. Now, the last step is to apply things that we learned. But how do we do that? It's super simple. Just take a reference, put it on the side, and just draw it. But draw it with applying all the stuff that you learned. So maybe you just pick a reference for face, and you just learned how to draw an eye. So try to draw that eye in the style that you just learned with the things that you learned. Now, if you just practice and don't apply it, the knowledge won't save in your brain. So we want to do that, because when we actually apply it on the reference or on like personal project, we constantly think of the way of the whole process. Like we think of how to make this stroke, how to do that in that style, and it helps with keeping this in the memory. And that's why we need to understand the things that we learn and draw. Now, to summarize everything, first we learned what is an art style. Then we know that we need to understand every fundamental at least beginner level. After that we choose our favorite artist and gather references for that. Fourth step was to study them and understand their process, like why they put the stroke, why they draw the way they draw. And at the end, we want to apply the things we just learned. So here is how you find your art style. So by doing this for some time, you'll actually find out your art style much quicker instead of randomly guessing and not really practicing anything. And if you like this video, you can also watch how I actually did it myself for a week in this video. And also you can check out my Patreon for monthly tutorials and join to my waitlist for my face drawing tutorials to get updates on. So thank you for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.